Extremely soft and fluffy pav that is normally served with bhaji. Now you can make it at home. Bloom your yeast in warm milk and sugar for 5 minutes. Add 3 cups of plain flour and half teaspoon of salt and knead for 5 minutes. Add 20 grams of softened butter and knead another 5 minutes. Tuck the dough and place in an oil bowl and allow to proof for 1 hour. Punch the dough down and divide into 8 balls and place in an oiled baking dish and proof an additional 20 minutes. Now brush the dough with milk and bake for 22 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. After baking, brush the bread with plain butter or garlic butter. Enjoy!